Alright, back to the ms361. So I was having problems getting it started, and apparently what I ended up doing was I went ahead and took the boot off. It seemed like once I rebuilt the carburetor, which I don't think I needed to do, it was pretty clean. That I was noticing it would start, but it wouldn't keep on going, and then it would flood, and so I finally just decided to switch out the spark plug. These rebuild kits, Chinese rebuild kits, come with the L7T. I went ahead and went with the Champion CJ7Y, which it crossed with, it says RCJ7Y, but looking at some of the cross-references, they cross-reference with this, and they cross-reference with the NGK and all that, so seems like this, it's actually running now better than it has. That's pretty good. I'm going to let it kind of do a little light work with it to seat the new piston and cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick see how it starts. A warm start. Let's see. I need to do that. Oh yeah. Gotta get a good warm start. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this. Ow! I might put a boot over it or something, I don't know, but I think this is going to be the best way to keep this all running pretty decent. So it might have had several problems. Number one, all the bolts had back down. Number two, I think this was a recurrent problem. Number three, don't use the rebuild fuel line in any of the stalls. I thought this one would work good, but this was the Chinese fuel line. Don't use it. I went to the Stihl place and got the 361 fuel line for $5. So go with the original. Alright, it did really well. I've been through about a tank now out there cutting some, and I'd sharpened the chain a little bit more and I went with the 3/16 file. I ended up putting some Loctite on that because it backed out the first time. But it looks good now. And just started up good, and ran good and cut good, didn't bog down at all. Did side cuts, didn't do any plunge cuts, but it did great. I wish this was my saw.